Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can sign in into the mobile banking application of Beyond Bank on iPhone. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to download and install the Beyond Bank mobile banking application on your device. Then you tap and open the application. Now here at the homepage of Beyond Bank, you can see the option of login and start banking. You tap on it. Then first of all, you need to go in for providing your member number. Then you provide your internet banking password. Then you need to create or you need to provide your app PIN. You need to confirm your app PIN by retyping it. Then after providing all the details, you need to simply tap on the next arrow button. Then you will be able to get directly logged in into the mobile banking application of Beyond Bank. Just in case if you forgot your password of the mobile banking application of Beyond Bank, you need to tap on the option given, that is forgotten, just beside of internet banking password. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your password. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can get logged in into the mobile banking application of Beyond Bank. Thank you.